When your car has a problem, you need a plan. Knowing how to handle a breakdown alongside the road, getting a tow truck, and having a good repair shop can give you some real peace of mind. Today we're going to talk about selecting a repair shop, what to expect from them, and considerations before you allow repairs to begin. Here at IC3, we lay out the issue, the cause, the correction, the cost, and we let you decide. How to pick a shop. It can be a little scary. Start by asking friends, family, and other people you trust. Shop around by phone or online for the best deals. It's good to compare shop warranty policies. Does it use parts that are covered by a manufacturer's warranty? Will they honor your vehicle's original warranty? Ask how the shop charges for parts and labor, diagnostic fees, and will they provide a written estimate of repairs? Ask to see a license or registration if state or local law require one. Check your local consumer protection agency to see if there are any record of complaints about a particular shop you're considering. Whether you pick a dealership or an independently owned shop, ask about mechanics' skill level and training. Look for current certification and training certificates issued by the Automotive Service Excellence Organization or the U.S. Department of Labor. Work areas should appear clean and well organized. A shop must have a comfortable and safe waiting area. Most shops have loaner cars, courtesy service for pickup or drop-off, or can help with rental vehicles. See if one is available from the shop you're considering. Finally, a good shop will take time to explain things in simple terms, before and after any repairs. What will it look like the first time you visit a shop? When you arrive, take a quick look around and see how well organized the place is as a whole. You should then find and have a conversation with the service manager or shop service representative. They should ask a lot of questions about what you're experiencing with your vehicle. Expect this. They're not trying to make you feel stupid. They're looking for enough information to know what you need. This can take some time, so be prepared. It's always a good idea to make some notes about your experience before you get to the shop. At the end of this conversation, you should get a service contract to sign that authorizes a diagnostic inspection of your vehicle so the shop can prepare a written estimate for your review. Two things to note. You should be given a service contract up front. If not, you may want to find a different shop immediately. The second is the diagnostic inspection fee is not free. You will be charged for it whether you have the shop fix your car or not. What to consider before allowing the repairs to start. Is the estimate the shop provided clear to you? Make sure you discuss it and ask questions. The estimate should clearly identify what repairs will be performed, the labor time, and the parts cost. Ask about the type of parts that will be used in your repair. Some states require shops to tell you if non-original equipment will be used. They must specify if the part is new, remanufactured, or salvaged. To explain, new parts are made to original manufacturer's specifications. Remanufactured, rebuilt, or reconditioned generally means parts that have been restored to a sound working condition. Salvage parts are serviceable items taken from other vehicles without alteration. Prices and quality of these parts will vary. Look to ensure the estimate also clearly states that any additional repairs and parts not listed on the estimate will need your approval first. Remember to check your car to ensure they completed all the repairs you authorized before you pay. The more you know about your car, the better. Be prepared and it will pay off. If you find this information helpful, subscribe and head over to my channel. There I have more information that explains issue, cause, correction, and costs for common car problems. This will arm you with the knowledge you need about your auto.